Hey guys, I've got a 2006 Hummer H3 and I've got to replace the wiring harness in it. I'm going to show you how I did it. And that's what I'm talking about. The pins in that connector are corroded, and that's what it looks like. So I'm not getting good connection, and the windows, the speaker's not working, and all kinds of things aren't working. I got a replacement harness off of eBay, and it took me a while to find one, but I got it for about 60 bucks. All you really need is a Torx 27 screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a flat blade screwdriver. You want to pull off the cover right by the door lock, and then you'll see the screw behind it. You can pry up the controls and disconnect those connectors. They're pretty easy. Then you pull off the cover of the door handle and you'll see two screws in there, and those come out. And then to lift that panel off, you pry from the bottom and then lift up, and you'll see the mechanism for the door lock and the door open. There's one more connector that needs to be disconnected, and then that's what you see. And that insulation is in there, it's just stuck on. You can peel it off. Try not to tear it. That's what the wiring harness looks like, and it looks a little difficult to get to, but it's really not. To get this connector off from the main body, you want to lift up on that lever so it looks like that, and then you can separate it pretty easily. And then to get that out, you just push up and then push in on the bottom, and you can pull that whole thing out. And again, this is what it looks like. Those pins are corroded, and I was having trouble with a lot of controls. I used a pair of pliers to get those little plugs out, and I just gripped it and then used the door as a point to pull it off, and it worked pretty good. I don't think I damaged it too much. And then these little pieces, you just pinch them and push in and they'll come right off. That piece, that yellow one, is a little hard to get to. You have to loosen the screws so you can move it away, and then you'll see it. The last part goes to the door locks, and that's the wire that goes to the door locks. It's more difficult to get out. Actually, I had to cut the wire and splice it. I spliced it into the new harness. I almost forgot the wire going into the speaker. I removed the screw out of the speaker, pulled it away from the door, and then I was able to disconnect it pretty easy. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Come back and visit the Hummer channel.